Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Mr. Danar and friends. Thank you for your opportunity to let us presenting our discussion about cause of disease in plants, virus, and nematoda. Let me introduce you our group. Ahmad Syarif Hidayat, number 139, Wiradharma G, number 142, Fatimah Nur Aziza, number 145, Muhammad Zulkifli, number 151, Dharma Ditya, number 153, Reno Giralcha, number 166, and Johardi Tampak Ginting, number 174.
Definition of virus. Virus, the definition of a virus by Matthews, namely virus is a set of one or more genomic molecules in the form of RNA or DNA molecules, usually wrapped by a protective envelope in the form of coat proteins or lipoproteins, and can only reproduce in appropriate host cell by utilizing metabolism matter and energy from the host cell. Plant virus can only enter plant cell through mechanical wounds or insect vector. This is because plant virus do not have a penetration tool to penetrate plant cell walls. Viruses are infectious agents that do not have cell and have two characteristics, namely the first is contain nucleic acids in the protein code. The second is cannot reproduce on their own. Can only reproduce if the genetic material enter the host cell and takes over the process. Next. Macromolecular composition of plant virus. The basic structure of a virus is, the first is nucleic acid that serve as the viral genome. The second is protein envelope. Sometimes the virus is conferred by a coat, which is a structure composed of lipids, protein, and carbohydrate that surround the viral nucleic acid. Main composition of virus protein is 60 to 95% of virions, same for each type of virus, but varies from one virus to another. The second is nucleic acid is 5 to 40% virion, spherical virus 20 to 40%, helical virus 5 to 6%.
Symptoms caused by plant virus. Virus infect plant can cause various symptoms in some or all parts of the plant. The most common symptom is a decrease in the growth rate of the plant, which causes stunting. Almost all viral diseases can cause yield reduction and shorten plant life. The most obvious symptoms of virus-infected plants are usually seen on the leaves, but some virus can cause symptoms on stems, fruit, and roots without symptoms on the leaves. Plant viruses do not have enzyme, toxin, or other compound as in other pathogens, but virus can cause damage to plants. Some infect plants may be asymptomatic under certain environmental conditions. When environmental conditions change, mass symptoms might arise. Viral infection affect cell metabolism and cause changes in cell biochemistry and psychology. Next. Factor affecting virus disease. The emergence of viral disease is influenced by host plant, virus, and environmental factors. Viral disease occurs when the invading viral strain is virulent. The plant being attacked is susceptible, and the current environmental conditions favor the development of the disease.
Virus transmission. Plant virus cannot spread by themselves, cannot be spread by wind and water. Transmission of the virus with sick plant except if there is no contact of live cells that are in a stage of injury, infection will not occur. In nature, many viruses are spread by vectors, as insects, mites, nematodes, and fungi. Plant virus can be spread by higher plant materials and mechanically. Next. Important virus in plants. The first, tobacco mosaic virus or TMV, cause mosaic disease in tobacco, mechanically transmit. Tobacco mosaic virus can survive for years in dry tobacco tissue, in the stalks and root tissues of previously infected plants. The second, cucumber mosaic virus or CMV. This virus also infects other vegetables such as pumpkin, melon, peppers, bean, tomatoes, carrots, celery, lettuce, spinach, and beets. Transmitted mechanically by mouth aphids or stylet, Apis brachyphora, Myzus persieae, and then can be transmitted in seeds and by parasitic weeds, Princess Court or Cuscuta sp.
Potato virus Y. The virus can be carried from one potato plant to another through infected seedling. Virus can infect tobacco, tomato, and pepper. The next, rice stump bacilliform virus. All are TBV, cause stump disease in rice, transmitted by green leaf hopper. Next, tomato spotted wilt virus. This virus is transmitted by thrip, which can transmit more than 13 types of virus. The next is tomato yellow leaf curl virus, the virus that causes curly yellow disease in tomato plant, transmitted by insect vector of the order Hemiptera, namely whitefly or white lice. Next. Definition of nematodes. Nematodes are of the most abundant and easy to find microcellular animals that cause damage to plants. Almost all of them live in the soil, but those that live freely in the soil outside the roots and stem in the soil. Even some parasites that live permanently in the roots and stem. Plants infected with nematodes cause symptoms to appear on the roots and also on the plant part above the soil surface. Nematodes are elliptical, cylindrical, filariform, not segmented, and bilateral symmetrical. This worm has a body cavity, and its body is covered by a cuticle. Body length varies greatly between 2 millimeter until 1 meter. The digestive system is complete, but the nervous system and excretory system are not perfect.
Okay, nematode life cycle. The life cycle of nematodes is about 18 until 21 days or 3 until 4 weeks and becomes longer in cold temperatures. The number of eggs that a female produces depends on an environmental condition. Under normal conditions, the female can lay 300 until 800 eggs and sometimes can produce more than 20,000 and 800 eggs. Inside the root, the nematodes larvae settle and cause change in the cells that becomes their food. The larvae swell and molt rapidly for the second and third time, then become an adult male or female that is elongated in the cuticle. The fourth stage emerges from the tissue, roots, and produces eggs continuously throughout its life. Next, nematodes grouping. 1. At first, ectoparasite nematodes. The imago body doesn't enter the root cells and at mealtime. The hairs or root tips will stop growing and are stimulated to form lateral roots. Examples, Longidorus or needle nematodes, which attack some plants. Trichodorus causes to be roots in vegetable crops. 2. Second, migratory endoparasite nematodes. Nematodes that move within the host cell or between the soil and the host. Example, Apelancoides, a foliar nematodes that cause malformation in rice, coconut, and strawberry leaves. Third, sedentary endoparasite nematodes. The whole body of these nematodes enters the roots and lives in the root tissue. Example, Meloidigene root knot nematode.
Symptoms of nematode attack. Symptoms of attack above ground level. Abnormal growth caused by injury to shoots, growing points, and flower primordia. 1. Dead shoots. 2. Shrift stems and leaf. And 3. Puru seeds. Abnormal growth as result of injury to the inside of the stems and leaf. First, necrosis. 2. Leaf spots and sores. 3. Puru on leaf. Symptoms of nematode attack. Symptoms below ground level. First, puru roots, rotten, necrosis of the surface, excessive root branching, wound, injury, or death of the root tip.
Thank you. So that's all. If anyone have a question, we are ready to discuss it. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.